Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can favorite patterns on Dress to Impress. I am super excited to show you guys this new update because it has been the best so far. They were not lying when they say this has been the best update that Dress to Impress has had. So, go to your outfit. And you're going to select the pattern that you want to favorite. For instance, let's see this one. You're going to hit the star icon and it's going to appear at the very top of your pattern. So whenever you want to use that pattern, you don't need to scroll down anymore. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!